A line of fairly heavy rainfall has been slowly moving to the east and thankfully weakening, and also thankfully as it is starting to move a little bit closer to us, things are starting to settle down as far as Halloween, although looking at the crowds on Bourbon just a couple of blocks away from us here, not settling down in the quarter or in the Marigny, and we had a fresh little batch of showers move through. Still some fairly heavy rainfall, moderate to heavy pockets of showers around Old Jefferson up toward River Ridge and much of the city as well. A little bit lighter as you near more the quarter and the lower 9, but still passing showers on the North Shore as well. Quite a bit more around the Hammond area though, moving north, and farther north a little bit lighter, though Franklinton's been kind of getting in on fairly decent rains for the last several hours. A little bit of a breeze associated with some of these showers rolling on through as well. Thankfully though, they'll be winding down a little bit later on tonight, though we do need the rain. Bridge lit up for Halloween, 77 degrees. It was a muggy day today and a almost hot day as heat indices actually reached the 90s. Yeah, it's the last day of October and it felt like the 90s. We're in the 70s outside right now with dew points also in the 70s. And where is the cooler air? It's actually not too far away. It may not seem like it, but Dallas and Tyler, Texas are under or on the western side of our front. They got into the slightly cooler but drier air. This is more the leading edge of kind of a boundary that fired up with the front more over north and central Texas. So as this continues trying to move to the east, it does continue to weaken, and that'll be the trend. However, with the front still in the vicinity, although it'll be dissipating, we'll still have enough instability in place to allow for maybe some scattered showers to fire up during the day tomorrow. So we'll keep about a 40% chance for Friday, and then through the weekend, much drier, but we stay warm and muggy. As far as the upper energy goes, this is the little feature that started to push the front on through, but notice it is leaving. So it really lost any, or the front itself lost any kind of forcing to move through. Maybe we'll get another trough. Well, there's going to be one setting up out west and kind of developing as we head toward the weekend. So maybe this one will do it. Now, it's going to lift up toward the northeast, just like the one that we're dealing with right now. This is going to be our best bet of getting any kind of fall feel back, and the models are in pretty decent agreement in most of the ensembles of this at least bringing in, maybe not a dramatic drop in temperature, but back to where we should be for this time of year. Highs in the 70s, not the 80s and feeling like the 90s, also less humid air. Normally we're kind of done with the tropics, but this has been a crazy season. Two areas that we'll be watching in the coming days. Again, as I had been mentioning in several newscasts, these do look like, and the models have been kind of sniffing out maybe something trying to form, not really going to be an issue, even if they're able to move into the Gulf, which is far from being certain at this time. The Gulf of Mexico in November is not the Gulf of Mexico of August and September. Water temperatures are down, dry air, strong wind shear, so not really worrying about anything there. 40% chance for some showers, again drier for the weekend, still warm and humid. Remember, we fall back 1 hour. We stay warm right through Election Day and toward the end of next week. Maybe by next weekend, we'll have a cooler air mass moving in.